The next one is strength of bonds with other elements. Now, when I talk about carbon, now carbon and carbon hydrogen bonds in organic compounds, they are very strong. Okay, they are what? They are very strong. And these bonds, they generally do not break easily during the reaction. However, other atoms or a group such as Cl, OH, etc., they get attached to carbon atom may get readily replaced. I mean to say, carbon and hydrogen, if it is only carbon and hydrogen, then the bond is very strong, okay, because of the sigma bond or because of the single bond, okay, this bond. But instead of one hydrogen, if I replace it with Cl, then this bond, it can be easily broken, okay, this Cl can easily get replaced by some other group. For example, OH, it is replacing Cl, okay, so this bond, it can easily break. But if it was only carbon and hydrogen, then it is a very strong bond. Remember this concept. Okay, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for the full course, and drop your question in the comments. And don't miss the next video in this series. It's linked right here on the screen. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.